Introducing our 40FT Expandable house. With unique design for maximum sunlight and breeze, this elegant house is best for living and leisure. Stylish doors and windows allow us zero distance to the beauty of nature. Check our modern interior design, a spacious bathroom, clean, tidy and functional. The multi-door entry offers an easy access. The trendy LED light mirror cabinet blends beauty with function with a slight touch. The display is so cute. The showerhead releases you from fatigue. Spacious living room allows the users to DIY their living styles. Aluminum windows are specially made with top water resistance and safety. This house is very user-friendly for daily life scenes with a very limited budget.